without borax. First of all, I've never made fishbowl slime ever, so I'm so excited. Second of all, without borax is amazing because you don't need borax. And third of all, I'm just very excited. Okay, so you're gonna start out with some clear glue and then add some laundry detergent. You can also use like contact solution, but I mean, I think it's easier to use Tide because it'll turn it blue, which will be awesome. Just by the way, this clear glue was very, very expensive. It was like $2 for one, which that is too expensive. Okay, now I'm gonna start adding in my Tide, and this is gonna turn the slime thicker and turn it like into the actual slime. Oh wow. I like clear slime because you can actually like, when you're mixing stuff in it, you can see like all of it happening. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so my slime is starting to turn into the slime part. It is really blue and it doesn't look clear, but then if you like stretch it out, like right here, then it's clear. So I really like this method because it's a really nice texture. I can already feel like the nice jiggly type of texture it's supposed to be. So I'm just kneading it. I don't want to add like any more Tide even though it's a little bit sticky, but if I add any more Tide then it probably will turn not clear. So that's why I'm just kneading it up. I love this so much. It's so pretty. If you wanted, you could stop here because I honestly love this slime. It's really stretchy and I didn't have to add anything and it was super simple and it's really metallic-y looking and it doesn't look clear, but then if you like stretch it out, it's like crystal clear. I love it. And I did leave it a little sticky just so I could add in my fishbowl beads and it wouldn't like fall out. For the fun part, I'm so excited. I'm going to be adding in these filler beads. You could just say, where are the filler beads? And they'll point them to you. I love these. I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna pour. I don't know if I should pour all of them or I'm gonna start out with only pouring like that much. Ah! I'm so excited. I love the way they look because they're clear and they're really crunchy. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. That's why I really like doing this with Tide because I love the blue and I don't have to dye it and it's so metallic-y looking. They feel really nice. They're like nice and plastic. Ah, they look so cute. Okay, so just keep kneading in your beads. My slime, I can feel it. It's already gotten like 10 times bigger just because these beads take up so much space. So I guess that's a tip. You don't have to use like as much glue as I did because these filler beads make your slime bigger. Okay, so it is a little not sticky enough because the beads fall out a little bit, but I'm sure once you keep kneading it and playing with it, it'll be fine. See, you can hear them like falling down. I love this so far. This is such a nice slime. So I'm just gonna keep kneading it until it kind of settles and all the beads that are supposed to fall out fell out and it's just perfect. It's super stretchy and I really like the look of the blue. It's so metallic-y looking. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. My hands are really covered. Just look how like cool this looks. And you think that you added some sort of like pigment or something like really special, but all you did was add Tide. Like I really like the look of this. And then look at that, it's like crystal clear. This is so, so cool, especially since I've never made fishbowl slime ever. Oh, that crunch. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was short, but I absolutely love fishbowl slime. The crunch, and it's just so fun to touch. Okay, so now it's time to add my beautiful fishbowl slime to my collection. So if you didn't know, I have like this cool compartment little spinny thing I got from Michael's, super cheap. And over the slime series, I'm going to be adding all the slimes I make into each little compartment. So I'm going to be adding my new clear blue fishbowl slime into one of the compartments. Okay, I'm gonna add it to this little pocket in front. I do not think it's gonna fit, but maybe if I like, yay, it fits! Oh my gosh, and it looks so pretty next to like my yellow slime and everything. It's a really nice texture. It's really unique. It's different. Like it's different to all other slime. Remember to subscribe to my channel and check out the rest of my slime series. If you haven't seen previous episodes or you want to see future episodes, then click that little bell to be notified every time I post a video. Bye!
Please hang up and try again.